Let's see if I can create the tastiest avocado toast on a budget, comparing Walmart and Target for the best deals. Avocado toast has become a staple in many of our households, and for good reason. It's a delicious and healthy snack that's packed with nutrients. But let's be real, it can get pretty pricey, especially if you're buying high-end ingredients. So today, I want to show you how you can enjoy avocado toast without breaking the bank by comparing prices at Walmart and Target. Finding budget-friendly ingredients for avocado toast can be a challenge. You want to make sure you're getting the best quality without sacrificing taste, but it's hard to know where to start. Avocados, in particular, can be pricey, and it's easy to shell out $5 or more for a single avocado at some stores. And then there's the bread. You want something that's sturdy enough to hold up to the creamy avocado, but also won't break the bank. It's a delicate balance, and it can be overwhelming to navigate. When you're on a budget, every dollar counts, and it's easy to get caught up in the mentality that cheaper is better. But when it comes to ingredients, that's not always the case. You want to make sure you're getting the best quality for your money, even if that means spending a little more upfront. And that's where Walmart and Target come in. Both stores offer a range of options for avocado and bread, but which one will give you the best bang for your buck? Walmart's Great Value brand offers a range of affordable options, including avocados that start at just under $3 a piece. They also have a variety of bread options, from whole wheat to sourdough, that range in price from $2 to $5 a loaf. Target, on the other hand, has its Market Pantry brand, which offers similarly priced avocados and bread options. But which store will come out on top when it comes to quality and price? At Walmart, I found a ripe avocado for $2.98 and a loaf of whole wheat bread for $2.48. Not bad, but then I headed to Target and found an even better deal, a pack of 4 ripe avocados for $9.99 and a loaf of whole wheat bread for $2.19. The quality of the ingredients was virtually the same, but Target came out on top in terms of price. So what does this mean for you? It means that you can make delicious avocado toast on a budget, without sacrificing quality or taste. By being mindful of the ingredients you're buying and where you're buying them, you can create a healthy and affordable snack that will keep you satisfied all week long. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you're inspired to try making your own budget-friendly avocado toast using the tips I provided today. Let me know in the comments below how you make your avocado toast, and what your favorite ingredients are.